So after weeks and months of begging and beseeching and several anxious moments, Issa got the green light for the staging of Boys and Girls Champs 2021. And look, we still can't understand why we needed this mad last minute scramble to get champs going. This should have been simple 1, 2, 3. With as many as 9 or 10 trap meets already held this year, all adhering to the stipulated COVID protocols, all without incident, all without any connected outbreak of COVID-19. With those meets as test runs, champs should have freed up long time. Of course, there are still some grumblings about the wisdom of having champs. Again, based on the false notion that all sporting activities, including champs, even if executed in a controlled environment and with athletes getting tested, some people just have it in them head. Say any sports play will be a super spreader of COVID-19. Again, displaying the blatant prejudice against sports that no other sector is facing. What we want right now is to see the staging of a great champs without accident or incident, to remind the doubters that before these athletes get to the Olympics and the World Championships, and with all those gold medals and make Jamaica proud, along the way, these same athletes deserve some trust, respect, and support.